Here are some garden bed ideas to enhance your outdoor space and create a beautiful and enjoyable garden. Tiered garden beds add a depth and are visually interested to your garden. You can plant variety of flowers, herbs and vegetables in each tray, creating a lush, colorful display. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Raised garden beds are great for small space or areas with a poor soil quality. They can be constructed from wood, stone or even recycled materials like old tires or pellets. Raised beds make it easier to control soil quality and drainage. They can also help deter pests. You can use materials like gravel, stepping stones or mulch to define your pathways and add texture to your landscape. Consider crafting curves and winding lines to create a more natural and relaxed feel. Don't forget adding lighting and safety and ambience at night. Add a touch of tranquility to your garden with a water feature such as a fountain, pond or bird bath. Not only do water features create a soothing atmosphere, but also they attract birds, butterflies and other wildlife to your garden. Choose a location that is visible from multiple vantage points so you can enjoy the sight and sound of flowing water from anywhere in your backyard. Transform your backyard into outdoor oasis by creating cozy seating areas for lounging and entertaining. Whether it's a hammock under the trees, a cozy fire pit for cool evenings, or a dining areas for all frecasso meals, make sure to craft comfortable furnishings and accessories that reflect your personal style and enhance your outdoor experience. With these 7 simple and 50 ideas, you can turn your backyard into a beautiful garden retreat that you will never want to leave. Whether you have a green thumb or a new gardening, there are plenty of ways to create a serene and inviting outdoor space and reflect your personality and style. So roll up your sleeves and get creative, and let's make your backyard dreams a reality. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching. If you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon of this video. Share to your friends and family members. Design a garden bed that engages all 5 scenes. Now crafting plants with different textures, scent, colors and taste. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.